Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a long time I'm coming with this video because I have no time to upload any of the videos. I'm I'm joined as a faculty member of Reasoning and Quant in Institute, so that's why I have no time to upload videos regarding preparation, and I'm not eligible for this year banking examination because I crossed 30 years. So that's why I'm planning to applying for this SSC CGL because in yesterday the most awaited notification SSC CGL notification out with 12,256 vacancies. So this is a very good chance to SSC aspirants and also banking aspirants. So all students utilize this opportunity to crack this any of the post in the section of SSC CGL. I suggested one of the mock test for this SSC CGL preparation purpose, that is as usually textbook. So I am addicted to this textbook from banking preparation onwards, so that's why I suggested in textbook app every test series with a reasonable price. They will provide each and every test with reasonable price, so that's why it will be good for all category students. That's why I suggested this one. So for this SSC CGL post, textbook provides both stages of examination, that is tier 1 and tier 2 examination preparation purpose. One of the plan available at present in this textbook app, that is Text Premier League, and in this test of SSC CGL section it consists almost 1300 test series. It consists overall sectional test, practice wise test in all the subjects, general knowledge, English language, quant, reasoning, computer. So a lot of content available for this SSC CGL examination, so don't miss this opportunity. So see here, 245 chapter test and 284 previous year papers, 80 sectional test, 324 previous year test for tier 1, and 30 full length test based on new pattern, and 112 similar previous year test as per 2025 year, 29 CA boosters based on new pattern, and also it consists one free test. If you are freely attempt this test, if you like this, then you will definitely purchase this textbook SSC CGL mock test series 2026 for both the tier 1 and tier 2 preparation, and all the very best for this preparation phase. So we have only 3 months time for this tier 1 examination. In this I will try to upload sectional test and mock videos on this SSC CGL. So that's why I suggested this textbook app. So at present in this textbook app, Textbook Premier League plan is ongoing. It consists overall 4 to 5 tests. You will try to attempt all 4 tests one by one. After that, finally you got reward points 50,000. So those who are getting 50,000 reward points, they got one of the surprise from this textbook. So don't miss this opportunity and crack these 4 to 5 examinations provided by this textbook team. So attempt test and end points, it starts on 23rd May 2026 9 a.m. onwards, and it ends I think 26th May. So don't miss this opportunity to purchase a good mock test series. And those who are getting into 1 to 11 ranks, so in each and every position of the rankers will get some profit and also some benefit from textbook side. So don't miss it, just give an attempt and practice questions. So it consists reasoning, English, and also general knowledge reasoning questions. Overall each and every test consists 10 questions, mixing of reasoning, quant, general knowledge and computer. So just give an attempt and share your score in my comment section. I will provide a link of this textbook in my description and comment column. So go through that link and purchase this test series and participate in this textbook Premier League content and climb the leaderboard, become the champion. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. If you have any doubts regarding this app, you will freely ask in my comment section. I will definitely answer your questions, and thank you.